Okay, guys, I followed this strategy for 7 days and I got amazing results. Okay, you heard me right. Okay, it's just the strategy alone, no signals, no complex analysis, just the strategy, and of course, my determination to follow the strategy to the very end actually works for me. And I'm going to be revealing everything to you in this video. Just like I have promised, guys, I will reveal everything I am doing to make money on this particular platform to you guys so that you too can also learn it, practice very well, then you can now try it out on your real account after mastering it. Okay, so this is very, very easy for each and every one of us. And of course, I want you to sit tight and watch this video to the end so that you will love every beautiful bit of, every bit of this video. Okay, now let's go straight into what we are right here. Before we do that, guys, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, please drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Now let's go straight into what we are right there. Like I said, I tried out this strategy for good 7 days and it works out well for me. And I'm going to show you everything which I'm able to achieve with this strategy. You can even use this strategy without having any trading indicator on your chart. However, if you have a good indicator, it will make it very easy for you to analyze better. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So I will be, you can use it, but I'm going to be using some assets right there, and I'm using real life assets. Okay, so for instance, okay, this is Ganex 1200, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame right now. So what you need to do is to first of all identify the direction of the market, okay, on two different time frames. I'm going to be highlighting those time frames out so that you will understand how it works. Once the direction are in the same line, then you are good to go. First of all, this is 15-minute time frame. I will take it to H1. This is it on H1 time frame. Right here on H1 time frame, you will notice that this particular chart was on downtrend before, okay, but when it got to this support zone, it picked up an uptrend. It switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, okay, and it has been buying since then. Okay, definitely whenever an asset is on a particular trend, there will always be pullback. Right here we had a major pullback, then it's going up. Then if it should break out above this, it means that it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is on uptrend at the moment, just the way we have seen this. Okay, and of course you can now take it back to the second time frame, which happens to be 15 minutes. Check if 15 minutes is also on the same trend. Okay, if 15 minutes is also on the same trend, then you are good to go. You can see 15 minutes had also been on uptrend right from here to this very moment, at the major pullback at this point, and of course it is going back up again. Like I said, if it should break out from here, then it means that it's going to buy more. Okay, so this shows that 15 minutes is also on uptrend at the moment, just the way we are seeing this, guys. So that's very cool. Okay, so now the next stage is for you to know when you can jump into the trade. Okay, you can combine these three time frames together so that you will have a better understanding. Remember, we went to H1 to check out the direction of the trend. Okay, we came down to our M15 to check out if it is also going in that direction, and we've been able to confirm this. So the next thing is where to place our order. So you can now go to M5 your order. Okay, so as you can see, when the market was on uptrend, okay, on what was it called, on H1, it's really when it was on uptrend on H1, we came down to 15 minutes. It also shows that it's on uptrend. So on 5 minutes, check it out. You can see that this is amazing, guys. Check it out. really buying. So right now it is still buying because it is on uptrend. So what you just need to do is just to pick a buy order whenever the market is bullish like this. You pick a buy order on 5 minutes whenever the market is bullish on both M15 and of course on H1. Okay, now let's try it out on other assets. Let me move on to GainX 999. But when the market is on bearish trend, okay, on 15 minutes and H1, you go to 5 minutes to place a sell order. Okay, so now let's check this out on H1. Let's allow it. So guys, this is it on H1. You will notice that this had been on downtrend right from here. Got to this region, had a pullback, and it is still selling. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity. If you should go to 15-minute time frame, you notice that this is also selling. Okay, so if this is also selling on 15-minute time frame, as you can see, then you can now go to 5 minutes to place your order. Okay, this is it on 5 minute time frame, just the way we are seeing it right now. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to sell. You should, can you see, if you had come in at this point, you would have gotten the opportunity to sell more at this point. You can see, and of course it is still selling right now. Okay, so now let's check it out on FX volume 80. Let's see if it is working right here also. Okay, and of course this is FX volume 80. We will move to one first on H1. As we can see, it had been on downtrend on H1 for a while. Okay, so and of course, if you should notice at this point, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend and it was selling. If you should look at the time frame at that spot also, you will also notice that it also gave us a downtrend at this spot, and it has been selling since then. Okay, because it is on downtrend. So you can now go to 5 minutes and pick signal at that particular spot. So if you had followed the instruction, this is where you would have come in. Okay, around here is where you would have come in, and you can see it gave us a sell signal, had a pullback and went back down again, and it sold till it got to this moment. So right now it has gotten to this support zone, trying to go back on uptrend. But if you should notice on 15-minute time frame, it is also going back on uptrend on 15-minute time frame, just the way we are saying it. But on H1, it is yet to give us that signal. Okay, it is yet to give us that signal. So you can wait for it to be confirmed on H1 so that you will have an opportunity to trade for a very long time, even on 5-minute time frame. So you combining these three time frames together gives you more assurance within the market, and you can use it to milk the market for a very long time. You can see I tried it out on GainX, and of course it also works on PainX. Okay, you can see this is PainX 1200. I think this is the only one that we have not checked. Okay, let me check it next if it works for it also. We've checked it on two GainX, and of course it works on them. We've checked it on FX volume, and of course it works on it also. So let's see it on PainX also. So this is PainX, and just where we have seen this right there, this actually gave us a downtrend signal. We can confirm it on if it is actually selling on H1. This is the period where we saw it on 15-minute time frame. You can see it also gave us a downtrend signal at this point. So if you should go to 5 minutes, you get the opportunity to sell more at that particular point. Okay, and this is where we were talking about. You can see you place your order at that point, and of course it sells for a very long time right from there. So you don't need to be scared. All you just need to do is just to follow it up and sell at that point. Okay, so that is how easy it is. Okay, so guys, I believe you've learned a lot with this particular trading strategy, and of course all I want you to do right now is to learn it very well. Watch this video until you understand how it works. Practice it on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.